Unlocking financial futures, revolutionize wealth with neural networks. Imagine a future where your finances are not just numbers, but a thriving ecosystem powered by artificial intelligence. Welcome to that reality. Neural networks are at the heart of this revolution, analyzing patterns in data that humans might miss. Your financial growth, supercharged. With every transaction, every market fluctuation, these systems learn and adapt, offering strategies tailored just for you. Your prosperity, personalized. Imagine making investment choices not on gut feeling, but on solid, data-driven insights. The power to predict, now in your hands. This isn't about replacing your financial advisor. It's about enhancing their expertise with unparalleled computational intelligence. Together, creating a potent mix. The journey to financial freedom is fraught with uncertainty. But with artificial intelligence, navigate the complexities of the market with confidence. Unlock the potential of neural networks. Step into a world where your financial future is brighter, smarter, and within your grasp. Embrace the revolution.